Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to export a PDF from Adobe Acrobat or convert a PDF into a Microsoft Word document for editing? Adobe Acrobat includes built-in export tools that allow you to convert PDFs into Word files while preserving much of the original formatting, images, tables, and text layout. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to export a PDF and the PDF to Word in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing first, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So launch Adobe Acrobat, open the PDF you want to export or convert, verify that the correct file is open, all pages display properly, the content is readable. So reviewing the PDF first can help identify potential conversion issues. Okay, then open the export tools so in Adobe Acrobat, select all tools, export a PDF, and then the export PDF tool allows you to convert the documents into various formats. So this is the primary tool used for PDF conversion. Choose the export format, select the format you want. So common options include Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, okay, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, HTML. So for Word conversion, choose Microsoft Word. Okay, so Word is the most popular export option for editing PDF content. Okay, so select Word document type, Word documents like docx. Okay, choose Word documents, and for maximum compatibility with modern version of Microsoft Word. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.